Hi, my name is Mayra. I am a student of UNAD in the course Phonetics and Phonology. In this case, I want to share with you the task for tongue twister. All I want is a proper cup of coffee made in a proper copper coffee pot. I made me of my dot, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Tin coffee pots and iron coffee pots, they're no use to me. If I can't have a proper cup of coffee in a proper copper coffee pot, I'll have a cup of tea. One was a racehorse, two was 1-2. When won one race, two won 1-2. All the felt I ever felt, I never felt a piece of felt, which felt as fine as that felt when first I felt that felt had felt. A mist and colder frost, with shoulders rise in loud spots, they threw these feet against the post, and still insist he sees the ghost. Three think, thinker, thinking, think, Thompson Post. Thank you. Bye bye.